You know, Danita, truth and facts are the calling cards of news. I don't like another city badmouthing my town, calling Cleveland something it is not, while at the same time giving voice to events which have not and may not take place. This is what I mean. When I read the editorial written by KansasCity.com, I was appalled. Its headline was boldface. Maybe Kansas City dodged a bullet when Cleveland nabbed the GOP convention, it said. Well, that's a reference to Kansas City, having been in the running for the Republican convention, but losing out to Cleveland. The editorial writers say they are glad KC lost because Cleveland, in the Kansas City estimation, could have convention area violence over the controversy surrounding Donald Trump. The editorial hints at possible riots in Cleveland, with hundreds of arrests and injuries tarnishing this city's image. The convention isn't even here yet, but a city which could not win it is writing irresponsibly about Cleveland, which did win it. The editorialists are playing pretty loose with their writings. I report stories with truth when and if it unfolds, not before. The Kansas City Star website editorial writers have done a hatchet job in characterizing Cleveland as possible scene of widespread violence because of the Trump controversy. That is not journalism. It's something else which decorum keeps me from describing, especially on television. Something else. Don't call Cleveland the mistake on the lake, as you did. We won a national convention, a political party convention. Mistakes don't win that. Kansas City, you wanted it but didn't get it. Is that what your editorial is really all about? If you in Kansas City want to respond to my response to you, meet me at an intersection of Cleveland. Look for me where the hard-working Cuyahoga River and the broad-chested Lake Erie get together at a great city, Cleveland. You know, I'm not here to badmouth any city at all, but I want you to know that that political convention that we've got coming here is going to bring in thousands of people, and we are ready to do the business of this city. That's how I feel. And now you know. I'm Leon Bibb.
Well said, Leon.
That's
well
when you
said.
say,
Nice Yep. Bunch of sore losers.
I love that.
You know what?
Take that, Kansas
If
City.
you aren't first, you're last, KC.
That's right.
I saw that in a movie.
Yeah, you don't mess with the bib.
That's right.
Nobody messes with the bib.
You know what?
Nobody.
We're sending in the first string. Leon Bibb.
Leon
Watch
Bibb.
out.
Boom.
You've been warned. Yep.